镜头来美国，前美国第一夫人罗莎琳·卡特，伊才到96岁过身，拜日是有举办公开的追思仪式。已经才到99岁，前总统卡特，伊嘛有亲身到现场送牵手最后一程。
在音乐声中，美国前第一夫人罗莎琳·卡特灵柩慢慢进入位于亚特兰大一间教堂，现场有真侪重要人士，那现任总统拜登翁仔某、前总统克林顿翁仔某这人拢出席这场葬礼。已经99岁，正伫接受特殊安宁照护的卡特，也坚持坐轮椅来到现场，要送心爱太太最后一程。看伫卡腿顶面的毯仔，也绣有骄傲的面容。
Because he isn't able to speak to you today, I am going to share some of his words about loving and missing her. This is from a letter he wrote 75 years ago while he was serving in the Navy. My darling, every time I have ever been away from you, I have been thrilled when I returned to discover just how wonderful you are.
罗莎琳甲卡特结婚77年，是美国史上婚姻上久的第一家庭。卡特虽然敢伫1977年到1981年做过一任总统，也有翁某两个人伫卡特卸任了后，长期伫做领导工作。罗莎琳更加特别关心心理健康议题，伫美国人民的心中留下美好印象。拜伊20卡特中心有不少民众排队来致意，拜日的追悼会更加有真侪人来。
This is history right here. I mean, what she's done as a person and for what she's done for the people with mental health, it's just amazing.
She was a trailblazer. But the thing I value about her the most was, and it was spoken of many, many times today, was her compassion and love. So I have enormous respect for her. She's a wonderful role model for all females.
罗莎琳伫这个月19过身，享受96岁。前两日伫拜三以私人的形式为伊举行葬礼。公视新闻张慧敏编译。